everyone, Billy Foulkes here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2023 Harris Solstice. This is a brand new, actually recently updated model from Harris. I'm going to go ahead and start off on the back. We have the swim seat. It's not a step, it's a seat. So what that does is it folds down in the water, gives you a place to put your feet, hang out while you're in the water, sit on it, relax, still be above water level and all that good stuff. What I like it for is it's good for animals to get in and out of the boat, and it does help with people who have difficulties climbing in and out, to give them a place to stand for someone to help them inside the boat. This boat is powered with the 300 horsepower Mercury. In the back here, we do have the ski tow bar and safety chains right here. What these safety chains do on both sides is allows you to sit back here while underway, makes it completely legal. One of the nice things about Harris is they built in their fender holders. So we have 8.8-inch fenders that go right here. They're quick connect, easy to install whenever you're out on the water, pulling into a marina or a restaurant or something. Easy to connect and protect your boat while you're moored up. In the back, we do have storage. Another cool thing about this boat is I'll show you first. This backrest right here has 3 positions right here, one facing this way, and it lays all the way flat. With that being said, Harris did something cool to give you another seating option with this prop type thing that props up the backrest so you can face forward and watch the horizon as you're driving. In here are a few things such as the black acrylic table, where we would mount that anywhere on the boat that you guys would like. Back here we have a built-in cooler, 3 cup holders, and part of the Jail Audio Platinum sound system. That's the remote back here. This boat is going to come with 2 subs, 6 speakers, Jail Audio amp, and Jail Audio head unit, which you can see right here. Great sound system, perfect to be out on the lake. You can add tower speakers to this tower, which, not to mention, this tower is a new tower option for the Solstice model. That's one of the biggest changes on the boat. In addition to the new upholstery, it's just great. This is the moonlight gray option. It has the kind of a charcoal accent in the boat. I love what Harris did. Another big upgrade is this carbon fiber-esque material right here with the Harris emblem or logo built in. We optioned this boat with a 9-inch display, the Simrad display. This is a touchscreen display that gives you your chart plotter, your engine information, everything that you need at your finger's reach. We also have the analog gauges right here as well, for redundancy. This boat was optioned with the raised helm. Another cool thing that Harris did is they added that sea deck with the Solstice emblem built in. Great option from Harris. So another thing they did is they moved the inductive charger on this boat down here to a lockable storage area. So I'll show you guys that real quick. But you can fit all sorts of stuff in here. I'm not even touching the back of it with my hand in there right now. New binnacle system from Mercury. I really like what they did with this binnacle system, because before, with the digital throttle and shift, if you bumped into this, it would go into gear. But now you have the thumb or the finger lever that you have to push to engage it in forward, reverse, and don't have to use it to get back into neutral. But it's very safe. I'm happy that Mercury came out with that. Besides that, moving forward, tons of room up here. Storage under all of these seats, but you can literally sit, I'd say, 3 people over here, 3 people over here, 5 people in the back. We're at 11 people already, and I think this boat's rated for 12 or 13 people. Up front, we optioned it with the second bimini top. So this bimini actually connects to the bimini in the back and covers the entire boat. It gives you a huge shade structure to make sure you have a very enjoyable, fun time out on the lake. One other thing I want to point out is inside the cup holders, we do have lights as well as underneath the seats. I'm going to go ahead and change those light colors, and you can have these light colors strobe. You can do all sorts of stuff with this system. There's also lights on the outside of this boat and underwater lights on the pontoons in the back. The C-Zone system set up in the Simrad allows you to control all that with just the push of a button. Besides that, great boat overall. We're very happy with Harris's new design. One of the things they came out with last year is this ottoman that's removable. We kept it in the plastic, keep it nice and safe for the owner of this boat whenever they take delivery of it. But it's got a cooler built in, 4 cup holders, and we also have this changing room area right here, which you can't open all the way, but we have one of your subwoofers under there, another subwoofer in the back right here as well. And those are the 8.8-inch fenders I was telling you about that protect the boat. Pretty much all the seats on this boat are connected by hinges with the exception of these 3 right here. The reason for that is because it's in a tight space, but also this seat's removable for when you collapse this backrest all the way down to give you that huge bed area. You got your batteries under here, just additional storage right here. So what that means is you don't have to worry about cushions flying out of your boat when you're underway on the highway going over 45 miles an hour. Oh, one other thing, this tower, like I said, it's brand new. It is a folding tower. So if you are restricted on storage, say a garage or a boat lift, and you need to get as much clearance as you can, this tower does fold down. It comes to about right here, giving you an additional about 2 to 3 foot of clearance. You guys, my name is Billy. I've been working here with MarineMax for about 5 years now. And I love these boats. I love being on the water. My family and I go out all the time, and I'd love to share that experience with you guys, tell you all about my expertise, and make sure you guys find the right boat for you and your family. So feel free to reach out to me anytime. You can call me on my cell phone. My number is 936-223-6770. And if you have any questions, always feel free to visit us here at MarineMax in Houston. Thank you.